Part, sabi mo nga kanina, malaki na ang pinagbago ng mga kaliga mo, di ba?
Natural.
Aha, pinagbubuhusan nila ng pagod, sipag, tiyaga, yung mga performances nila.
Kuraching.
Hindi na basta-basta.
Kuraching.
Oo. Panoorin natin ito.
Wanted, performer, sumasayaw, kumakanta, tumatambling, pero bakla. Sila na ang bagong mukha ng gay performers ngayon.
Itong mga dancer dito, they were trained to become a professional.
Siyempre pwedeng magpahuli ang ating mga sisters.
Paggawa ng production, kinakailangan updated ka. What is the latest? What's new? Or else, you'll be left behind.
Performers. Isang pangarap lamang noon ni Pocholo Manlilin ang Club Moi.
Since nung wala pa ito, 2 years ago, in Paris, New York, and Las Vegas, nakikita mo ngayon ang makabagong klase ng pagsasayaw. And this is it now. This is the prize that we got from that kind of experience.
Pang world class ang mga productions ng Club Moi.
Itong mga tao rito, karamihan dito yung world-traveled na ito. They've seen a lot of Broadways. My God, I'm very proud to be Filipino because there was such a theater like this could come compared to what we saw, or much better what we saw abroad. The performer have a responsibility to his act. The act will represent the totality of person.
Ang makapagpasaya ng manonood hindi mahalagang sexual orientation ito upang makapagdulot ng aliw at saya sa manonood.
Kaya mo lahat binubusisi, lahat kinakarir.